Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will unveil the exact step-by-step process we use to create and verify unlimited Stripe accounts for our online businesses. If you're struggling with Stripe and are unsure how to establish strong and trusted accounts, especially if you've been suspended multiple times, then this video is made for you. Whether you're in a supported or unsupported country, we aim to help you overcome Stripe-related issues and suspensions once and for all. The process we're sharing today is the result of many years of experience with Stripe. We've successfully opened and verified hundreds of accounts and gathered insights from friends working within Stripe. This process is employed by our agency to create and verify Stripe accounts for both ourselves and our clients. In this video, you'll discover information that has never been discussed on any other YouTube channel. We'll delve into how Stripe's systems work, the various verifications and checks processed by Stripe, and the implicit verifications to ensure that you're a trusted user, that your business is 100% compliant with Stripe's terms and conditions, and that your account will not present any risks for both their platform and customers. To be able to follow this process, it's crucial to have some basic and fundamental technical knowledge to understand key components of the methods used and effectively apply them. For those of you looking for a comprehensive guide or course, I'm pleased to announce that our course is now available. Designed to assist you in creating and verifying unlimited Stripe accounts, the course will guide you through every step, from creating strong accounts to completing all necessary verifications and avoiding suspensions. The course also covers how to manage multiple Stripe accounts from the same device without triggering any alarms from Stripe. Additionally, we share exclusive methods and strategies for high-risk businesses, including dropshipping, brands products, and digital products like softwares, IPTV subscriptions, social media marketing services, etc. To access the course, visit our website stripecourse.com and review the detailed course plan. If you're interested, you can purchase it by clicking the Buy Now button. You will be redirected to the checkout page to complete your order. I want to highlight that the course is currently on sale for a limited time offer at $67 instead of $199. It's a valuable investment that can save you money and time, purchasing or creating Stripe accounts that will be suspended from the first transaction. Now let's return to the main content of our video. The first step is to change the MAC address of your device or laptop. This step is not necessary if it's your first Stripe account, but if you've previously created an account from the same laptop, changing the MAC address is crucial. The MAC address is a unique physical identifier of your device. The second step involves the IP address. For proper Stripe account creation, you'll need a clean, static, and residential IP address from the country where you intend to open your Stripe account. Clean means that the IP address must be brand new and fresh, not used before to open a Stripe account, and not listed in blacklists. Static means that the IP address is fixed and doesn't change like normal IP addresses. Residential means that the IP address belongs to a local telecom operator and not a VPN service. For example, if you use normal VPN services to change your IP address, such as ExpressVPN, Stripe can detect that you're using an IP address that belongs to these services. This would be a red flag for Stripe, leading to the suspension of your account sooner or later. This is why you need to use an IP address from a local internet provider, like Orange, Vodafone, Deutsche Telekom, etc. There are different cases here, depending on whether you're living in a supported country or in unsupported countries. We have covered all the cases in our course. You'll also find the tools that we're using to change the MAC address to get high-quality IP addresses, and other tools will be used in the upcoming steps. Changing the MAC address and the IP address alone is not sufficient because, as of now, Stripe still has the ability to detect attempts to confuse their systems. The Stripe system accesses a lot of information in your browser, known as fingerprints, to verify if you are a real and trusted user. One of the information that Stripe checks is your browser location. For instance, if your browser location indicates that you're in Spain, and your browser language is Spanish, but you're using an IP address from the United States, this raises a red flag for the Stripe system. This is a simple example. Stripe's checks are more complex as they analyze a variety of data, including your device information and configuration, internet provider, GPS location, languages, and screen resolution of your device. The solution lies in changing the device fingerprints. Regular browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari don't allow this. That's why we use a specific browser known as an anti-detect browser, multi-login browser, or fingerprints browser. This specialized browser enables you to change every single detail that Stripe can access. After configuring the browser, the next step is warming up your browser's cookies to resemble those of a normal browser. Following specific instructions during this process is crucial to avoid suspensions. For example, avoid visiting dropshipping websites or black hat blogs from this browser. After completing these steps, you'll be ready to move on to the next stages. Website or store creation is a critical step. Your website must align with Stripe's terms and conditions, and we've created a guideline in our course detailing the essential elements that your website or store must have for Stripe verifications. This includes the business model of the website, legal pages, contact details, product information, shipping policies, returns and refunds policies, customer guarantees, checkout processes, data protection, adherence to local laws, and domain name specifications. The subsequent step is company creation, which is optional but recommended for added strength and flexibility. If your country allows personal accounts, you can skip this step. However, creating a business Stripe account is advantageous, especially if you're in a non-supported country. Our course provides guidelines for creating a company, including choosing a representative name, aligning activities with your website and with Stripe, and ensuring coherence with the products or services you're selling. At this stage, you'll need a professional email address with your domain name extension and a business phone number. Once these preparations are complete, you can start creating your Stripe account. I recommend initially creating an account with an email only and filling in additional information a few days later. Pay close attention to the section related to your business activities and product descriptions during the form-filling process. Choose the right business category that represents your activities, provide a clear business model description, and clarify any details that could prevent your account from being evaluated as high risk by Stripe, leading to the suspension of your account. Upon completing the account creation, the next step is warming up your Stripe account. This will be covered in detail in our course, as it's not something we can share publicly. After completing the warm-up process, you can start working with your account. Be prepared for ID and selfie verifications, address verifications, and, eventually, inventory and tracking numbers verifications. Our course offers detailed instructions on successfully completing these verifications. There's a hack about how to avoid these verifications using a specific strategy. That concludes the exact process we use to create and verify Stripe accounts. If you have any questions or if something is unclear, feel free to ask in the comments below. Additionally, if you have suggestions for future video topics, please share them. Take care, stay tuned, and see you guys in the upcoming videos.